What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is an awesome day. So this is a Model S Plaid. In fact, it's my Model S Plaid. And today I'm going to be tinting it in Apex Ultra 5% ceramic film. No! Okay, I didn't get it on film because I was still upset about the first one falling off the peel board there and having to start over, but So that's what it looks like. Came out absolutely great. It's like perfect. Yeah, super happy with how this came out. All right, then I'm gonna put this on the Apex Ultra right here. And as you can see, got 100% UV protection, about 98% infrared heat rejection, and the tint's 5%, but it's clocking in at 4.2. And then also for our solar, let's see, yeah, not a lot going on right now. Yeah, so you can kind of see the solar heat. Again, there's a big cloud right in front of the sun, so normally this would be like 200 to 500. Yep, the Apex Ultra works really good. And that's a wrap for this Tesla Model S Plaid, or wrap. I guess that is a tint, and it's not just any Model S Plaid. This is my new Model S Plaid. Well, new to me, it's a 2021. It is used, so it has some crappy paint protection film on it. You can kind of see there's like a nasty seam. Yeah, right there. So I'm gonna take all this stuff off. I'll make a video about removing the PPF, and then I'm gonna put a nice new wrap on it here whenever I get some free time. I started tinting windows and wrapping cars in April, and I have been booked up every weekend since then. So I'm booked up through September, so hopefully it'll be cool. You know, December will be slow, I hope, so I can, you know, give some attention to this car. So there'll be more Model S Plaid content on the way. If you're in the Las Vegas area and you have a Tesla and you want someone to get your car right, whether it's tint or vinyl wrap or even detailing, I try not to detail really too much anymore, but if you need some ceramic tint and not just the crappy stuff, like if you're paying $300 for a ceramic tint, like I guarantee it's not gonna do the 98% IR heat rejection. It's probably some 70% crap that's like a dyed half ceramic stuff. So I've got the good stuff. If you want the best, I know everyone goes for Expel, but Geoshield is local here in Las Vegas. They're an awesome film brand. They make a really good product. It's not just marketing, it's quality of product. So that's why I like to use Geoshield. It works great. And like when the sun is like right on you in the windows, like you don't even feel it. Like this car didn't have tint. It was terrible. It's like, that was the first thing. I'm like, all right, I got to get some ceramic tint on this so it's bearable in Las Vegas. So if you want your Tesla done right, please reach out. Send me a message, W3 Auto Style on Instagram if you want to check out my work. But thank you so much for watching. Please consider hitting that subscribe button and like the video if you enjoy this content. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.